Hi, today we're going to take a look at graphing a linear equation using a table of values. Now, table of values will get the job done. It might be a little longer at times, but it'll always give us our graph that we're looking for. We just have to plug the right numbers in. What are those right numbers? Any number. So let's plug numbers in. I like to start with 0, 1, and 2. I want to take these three numbers one at a time and substitute them back into our problem. So giving us y equals -2 times 0 plus 3. -2 and 0 is 0 plus 3 gives us 3. So when I plug 0 in, I get a 3. If I plug in a 1, -2 times 1 and a 3 gives us -2 and 3, which gives us a 1. So I plug a 1 in, out comes a 1. And let's try with a 2. Y equals -2 times 2 and a 3, -4 plus 3, giving us -1. So this is great. We had three x values. We plugged them in one at a time. We came up with three matching y's. Let's plot this, see what happens. Go back 0, go up 3, go over 1, up 1, go over 2, down 1. Okay, so the reason why I like to do three coordinates is to make sure I don't make a mistake. I can see that these three coordinates are in line with each other, and that's good. If I have just two, I might have made a mistake, and I don't know, at least I can use that third one to help check myself. Now, what if you want to plug negative numbers in? Well, we could plug a -1 in or a -2 or whatever. It should still fall in line with everything else, and let's try. We're going to say y equals -2, -1 plus 3, giving us 2 and a 3 and a 5. So when I plug -1 in, I get a 5. Okay, does that fall in line with everything? So go back 1, go up 5. That's pretty good. We could connect, draw our arrows at the end. These arrows just mean this line keeps going forever and ever and ever, because I could plug in more numbers for x, I could plug in more numbers, positive and in the negative world. What if I wanted to do something else? What if I want to do a big number? Let's plug in 100. What happens? Well, y equals -2 times 100 plus 3, giving us -200 and 3, leaving us with -197. Whoa. Okay, so I can do it. I can plug in 100. But my problem is when I go to graph that, I'm going over 100 spots. I'm going down 197 spots. That's great. It works. This arrow says it's going to hit that point. But my problem is it doesn't fit on my graph. That's why I like to stay close to home. I like to stay close to this origin. And if that means these three numbers or the top three there, that will get you there. And that is graphing a linear equation using a table of values.